Product launch is always a big challenge, especially with so much competition in the makeup industry. In order to differentiate ourselves on the market, we clearly defined the brand benefits and a target group: environmentally conscious, animal-loving people. We created a strong brand manifesto, Free Yourself, that encourages women to follow their own path. To meet our aims and objectives, we selected proper tools and a consistent correlation in all touchpoints. We launched the campaign in October, while simultaneously building up distribution. After 6 months on the market, the results are impressive. We are present in over half of Rossmann stores across Poland, successively increasing this number. We installed more than 800 makeup cabinets in stores, which allowed us to fulfill the plan by 200%. In cooperation with Marcin Tyszka, we worked on a promotional spot and a sponsorship billboard. The spot was emitted, among others, on Top Model, Dzień Dobry TVN or The Voice of Poland. It was viewed by more than 7 million people. The sponsorship billboard with product placement was emitted 176 times on TV programs such as Pytanie na śniadanie, Power Couple, Zacznij od nowa and Top Model. The next step was a collaboration with professional makeup artist Wilson, who also became our brand ambassador. We shipped 400 PR boxes, which contributed to the publication of over 3,000 posts on Instagram, tagged with #NamCosmetics. The publications also appeared among high-profile influencers such as Gosia Socha, Kasia Zielińska, Karolina Gilon, Katarzyna Kijowska, Zmalowana and Gabi Drzewiecka. We have participated in Rossmann drugstore campaigns involving mobile app promotion and multimedia displays twice. As a result of these activities, we reached an outstanding sales result of 200% in our half-year plan. And this is just the beginning. We're doing this for you. Free yourself.